The problem is that that person that actually needs that help, you've got to be very careful that you don't allow things to stay in their name too long. Now in Georgia, it's 5 years. In other words, from the time of diagnosis to the time you can begin to switch things out of a person's name, it has to be a 5-year waiting period. Otherwise, if the person were to go into a nursing home or nursing care, they would come to you and ask for those funds back. Because they have a way of going back doing that credit check to determine what that person had prior to.
Dr. Willis, 3 years ago here in Michigan, it was 11 years ago.
Is he, whoa, 11? Yes, so you see that when you hit about 60, it's time to make that transition to try to put things, you know, but what happens with the African American family, there's so much confusion as to which child should be left at, and so that's one of the reasons that African, and how you're going to separate, you know, so that becomes the problem when you're trying to get things out of your name. And this is one of the reasons that people have begun to downsize. You know, they sell the house or they move to someplace smaller. So as they begin to downsize, it's less for them to feed off of. You've got a lot of, I don't see it as much here as I do in the South. They have really nice retirement places in the South where people just transition from that. They sell their home, they go into like a high rise, and then they just live